Cooking 101. Today is all about a egg and pepper hash. It's called that, alright? With scrambled eggs and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'll show you a quick little thing on how to do that. Super easy, super simple. So in the pan I just fried bacon, so I'm going to toss our yellow peppers and onions into the pan. Make sure the pan's hot. Quiet. Touch of salt, pepper. Yeah, we'll toss some mushrooms in there too. Some sliced mushrooms. Yeah, kind of a breakfasty bacon hash with some veggies, of course. Pretty easy, but of course with some bacon. A touch of olive oil in there. Let's let that fry up a bit. Originally I had planned to do a wrap. Unfortunately I don't have any wraps because they disappeared or they went wherever. That's okay, I can work with what I have. That's always fine. A little disappointing, I was like all ready to make a wrap. I go and look in the fridge and I'm like, there's no wraps. Disappearing wraps. Someone's in trouble. A little bit of thyme in there. A touch of garlic. 100 cloves. Smelling good. Alright. Chopped up bacon. Toss that in there. Alright. Chili powder. I guess Mexican style breakfast. That's it. But hey, we got sour cream. And salsa. And cheese. Those things I have. 3 large eggs. Back on the fire. Beat the eggs. Touch of half and half cream. Like a tablespoon or so. As I said, when I mostly cook, I don't measure anything. Well, with savory cooking, I don't measure anything. Baking, I measure everything to a T. So, but that takes practice. All right, so dump the eggs into our mixy thing here. Sizzle. And our cheese. Got our salsa. Super simple bacon and egg hash with bacon, mushrooms, some onion, garlic. Show you how we're serve this up. Cheesy in there. Oh yeah, some cheese. Always it's a touch of lemon. Always brings everything together a little better. Not a lot. Ooh yeah, cheese is melting. Perfect. Take this off the fire. Of course, before you serve, you want to give it a taste. Get everything in there. That's good. Present. Okay. Look at this. Oh, this would have been you can do it in a wrap or you can just do the style. Just the missing wrap style. Ooh, that would have been nice to serve with beans. But that's alright. Do this now. Salsa. Sour cream. Finish off with a little bit of cilantro. Chili powder, extra for the Mexican flair. There you have it. Very simple, kind of Mexican style hash. I'm not Mexican, but that's just a creative thing I came up with. Hope you enjoyed. Mexican hash, you try. Squeeze a lemon on there. Awesome Mexican style hash. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love you, and thanks for watching. See you next time.